Cleaning hard-to-reach outdoor spaces is more than just a chore. But what if there was a smarter, safer, easier way? Introducing Wet and Forget Rapid Application, the ultimate outdoor cleaning solution designed for big jobs and high places. Whether you're tackling a grimy roof, a weathered fence, or a mold-covered patio, Wet and Forget Rapid Application makes it simple. No more dragging out buckets or mixing harsh chemicals. Just attach it to your garden hose, turn it on, and spray away. It's that easy. With its high-reaching nozzle that can reach 8 meters high in combination with a powerful, bleach-free formula, you can cover large areas quickly and safely, all without lifting a finger to scrub. It's tough on mold, mildew, and algae. There's no rinsing and no follow-up. Just spray once and let nature do the hard work for you. Rain and wind will gradually activate the formula, washing away grime and revealing a clean, fresh surface underneath. So why waste hours on tough outdoor cleaning jobs? Get professional results with minimal effort. Wet and Forget Rapid Application, the effortless way to clean the hardest to reach parts of your outdoor world.